Hello, this is Angela Leong with Lab 14, and the objective for this lab is to perform several virtual machine management tasks. For the first task, we're going to unregister a virtual machine in the vCenter server inventory. So we're going to take a look at test VM-01, and as we see on the summary page for test VM-01, the host is on ESXi1 host and is on local 51 storage. So let's go ahead and remove it by just right-clicking and remove from inventory. So even though I've unregistered the test VM-01, if I go to the local storage, local 51, go to management files, I can see that I still have the test VM-01 files listed here. For task 2, we're going to register a VM in the vCenter server inventory. To do this, back on our last screen, we just right-clicked on the test VM-01 VMX file, and then register VM, and then we just go to the prompts. We selected training as a data center, select the ESXi1 host, and then finish. Once the task is done, I went back to the VM and templates here, and then we can see that the test VM-01 is listed here now in the inventory pane. For task 3, we're going to unregister and delete the VM from a disk. So we're going to delete test VM-01 from disk, and that's just a right click and delete from disk. Hit yes, wait that to finish, and then refresh. Okay, and then I went to the storage tab to the local 51, and I don't see the test VM listed anymore. Okay, and then I went ahead and I storage vMotion student VM02 to the NFS Vol 1 storage, and then I refresh it and we see it here under the related objects page. For task 4, we're going to take snapshots of a VM. So we're going to take a snap of student VM02. I powered it on, and then I right-clicked and went to snapshot and take a snapshot. So I'm labeling it base image, description as without garbage. Hit OK. Let that run. After making the snapshot, I went ahead and opened the console, logged in as sysadmin. I made a directory called garbage, and I listed so we can see that garbage is listed as a blue folder. After making sure, I went back and now I'm taking another snap. I'm calling it test image and with the description with garbage. Then we're going to let that task run. Once that task has finished, now we're going to manage the VM snapshots for student VM02. So that's just right click, snapshots, manage snapshots. And we can see here that there's two snaps, base image and test image. For task 5, we're going to revert to a snapshot. So here we're going to revert back to base image. So just highlight base image and revert to yes. After reverting, I opened the console, logged in as sysadmin, listed the directories, and we see that there's no garbage file here. Now I'm back at manage VM snapshots, and I'm going to revert to the test image. Once the task is finished, I open the console for the VM and listed the directories, and I see that the garbage is now back. For task 6, we're going to delete an individual snapshot. So we're going to first revert back to the base image. And we can see that the UR here is now under the base image. We can go ahead and delete the test image snap. Okay, and that's it. For the final task, 7, we're going to use the delete all function in the snapshot manager. And that's just clicking on delete all. Okay, so there it is. No more snaps.